Hello guys, in today's video I do have the XIAOMI Smart Camera C500. I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up the smart automation in your Mi Home. So here, as you can see, we have our camera and we have to go back till you see there's the main menu of the application. Tap automation, and here this is, as you can see from your previous camera. Here tap plus, tap automation. Tap at conditions. Here, smart home devices, select your device, motion detected. Tap here this tick icon. As you can see here, you can select your preferred one. For example, customize activity duration, pet detected, person detected, enable night vision mode, or disable night vision mode. Here, as you can see, we do have HardReset device 2. Smart home devices, for example, or delay or notifications. I will, for example, say notification, some random text, and done. Here, set up. Okay, and now we do have our automation set. That's it. Hope it helps, and goodbye.